Do you want to gain attention of your partner? If the answer is yes, here are simple 3 steps. Step number 1. Be like a magnet. A magnet radiates attraction. If you want to see something different, you have to bring the difference. Many people come to me and say, I don't want to change myself. I want to be accepted for who I am. But then things don't change. So you do not have to gain attention of your partner. You have to actually give attention to your own self. Trust me, it's not a compulsion. If you want to see the difference, you have to bring the difference. Here are simple things that you can do. Look good. When you look good, you feel good. Wear fit clothes and wear the colors that others like. We do not get to know what colors look good on us. It's about others who perceive those colors. Have a fit body. Do exercise. Maintain your weight. Shape does matter. Stay clean. Brush your teeth twice daily and also take shower daily. Love yourself. Do anything and everything that you like to do. You will feel good with that. If it's reading or music or dance, talking to friends, do that. Be confident. Talk confidently. Walk confidently. Have a positive attitude. Everybody likes positive people. Declutter your mind by doing meditation if you can. Smile. A smile is addictive. Don't you like me smiling right now? You may think, why is he smiling for no reason? When you smile for no reason, you appear mysterious. There's something positive happening in your life and you will gain his or her attention. Step number 2. Show that you need him or her. Everybody likes to be needed, and so does your partner. When you tell your partner that you like his or her presence in your life, your partner will feel needed. Tell your partner the specifics about his or her personality. Say that I like your hardworking nature. That inspires me. When you tell the details of what you like in him or her and also the impact of that, you will gain his or her attention. Also tell about his or her looks. Say, I really like your soft skin. It makes me feel so loved. This way, you will gain your partner's attention. Everybody likes to be praised and appreciated. Be proactive in taking lead for physical intimacy. All of us shy about taking the lead, and so does your partner. So isn't it waste of time if you're waiting that your partner should take the lead first? Be proactive, take the lead, create opportunities for physical intimacy. It will create the bond between the two of you, and your partner is definitely waiting for that moment. Step number 3. Go close to your partner. There's a concept in science called law of entropy, which says that if you leave anything unattended, it will move towards disorderliness. In simple words, if you leave a garden unattended, it will turn into a jungle. Similarly, if you leave your relationship unattended, it will move towards monotony, isn't it? So go close to your partner proactively instead of waiting that who should come first. So if you go close to your partner, the gap will be gone, isn't it? So create opportunities for your partner to create those good old days back again. Talk and indulge in common interests. For example, if you and your partner like music, go book the music concert for both of you. If you and your partner like politics, play that political documentary on Netflix. You can start a conversation on that and also indulge. Use the power of touch. Go and hug your partner, give a kiss. This way, you will use the power of touch. Do common daily activity together. If your partner is into working out and he or she has mentioned to you that you should also join, go join that activity. So this way, you will gain your partner's attention. Laugh together, share jokes, play a comedy movie, do whatever so that you can bring life back into the relationship. Flirt with your partner. Who doesn't like flirting? So does your partner. Do something, say something, text something that turns your partner on. He or she will be reminded of the good old days. We at Mind Tigers offer personalized one-on-one training programs to help you bring the passion, love back into your relationship. We focus on the right habits and the right actions that you need to do daily. You get a personal trainer who handholds you to implement those daily actions, those right actions every day with simple 5-minute assignments. Do like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification icon so that you can get to know about our next videos. Till then, good luck.